Guys, today we are going to be, I'm going to do my tutorial. I have done a bit of a switch around with the routine. So instead of doing waterfalls, then rock formation, and then trees and bushes and rocks and whatnot, I'm going to do trees, bushes and rocks first. Then I'm going to do rock formations. Then I'm going to do waterfalls. Okay, because you can't do a waterfall without a little cliff. So, as I say, we're doing trees today. Now, as you see here, I have extended the river. Before it was just a patch. Now it's this. So, what I'll need you to do is I need you to get any wood. But it has to be, it can't be log, it's just the wood. Any one of these, okay? So I'm going to take acacia, spruce, fir and birch. And then you need your leaves. So I am going to take, well, you can take any you want, but I'm going to take some acacia, some dark oak and some jungle leaves, because jungle leaves are my favourite. Now we also need shroom lights for lighting. So yes, over here we have where we're going to do our trees. Now, to do a tree, what you need to do is you need to do a column in the middle. Now, this will be the start of your tree. Now, I'm going to do this. You don't have to if you don't want to. Now, this is just to make the tree thicker. But then we'll also need to add some roots. Now, this will be a medium-sized tree. That's why we're adding roots. Now, don't forget that you do need to do, there are such things as diagonals. So, yeah. Then you can go out at the top for your branches and make it just twist around. Okay. Now, you might be saying, oh, what if I want to add a treehouse onto one of these? Well, I have set up a plot of land which I am going to use for a village. Now, this is just for a field. It's for a big, giant field. Okay, and then I'm going to put the village on top of it, and I'm going to do different things. I might do a treehouse, I might not. So, now, with our leaves, we're just going to just spam them all over. You know, you don't go outside and see a tree with, like, a specific pattern which people haven't done, you know. If you do, it's just like a really random, chance. So, put them anywhere, just absolutely anywhere, okay? Make sure they're on the branches, and make sure they're also on top. Now, if you don't want some leaves to be there, it's okay. So yeah, this will be just your average normal tree. Now, I'm also going to do some other trees. I might do another video on trees because, well, I don't think one video is enough. By the way, with the shroom lights, we're going to add lights into the tree, because if we don't, then the area underneath will be full of mobs. So yeah, you need to add the leaves on. Now, you might be worried about the visibility of the shroom light. Now, to be honest, when you're underneath, you're not really going to look up at the trees unless there's something in the trees. So, and even then, you can just hide them. So I'm just going to skip till I've finished this tree. So, yep. Now, here we have our tree. To be honest, I don't really like the shape, but if you do two trees together, you could organise the leaves. Now, I'm not going to keep this tree here, mainly because I don't like it. Also, well, to be honest, I'm going to put some other stuff here. But I am going to add a willow tree here. Now, a willow tree is a tree that hangs its leaves. Now, it might look like that I'm doing a palm tree, but no, I'm going to do a willow tree. So, here we go, and bam, and then we can put our leaves on here. Now, I'm going to use jungle leaves. To be honest, I don't really care which leaves I have on the tree, as long as, well, the leaves are, you know. But yeah, the reason why I used acacia wood is because, well, you could, you know, spawn an acacia tree here, and then just do like hangings down and whatnot. But as I say, you don't have to do it random on these trees. To be honest, it looks nicer if it's a bit more organised and whatnot. And make sure leaves would probably go down the wood. So yeah, this is a bit of it. So the top, I'm going to add some more detail on. To be honest, I'm not too good with trees. It's just more usually like land forming and whatnot. But you know, here is, you know, basic willow tree design. It's got hangings and whatnot. So you know, it is what it is, and you can add some shroom lights underneath it, and it'll still look good. You know. So yeah, and then we're going to add some bushes. Now, bushes I usually use for lighting. What I do is I put a shroom light down and fill it around with just leaves. That's literally all bushes are. Now, I'm also going to do rock formations in this episode. So what I want you to get for your rock formations, I want you to get cobblestone, mossy cobblestone, cobblestone slab, mossy cobblestone slab, cobblestone stairs, mossy cobblestone stairs. Now, you might be asking, what about normal stone? Now, you don't really find, like, stone, just, you know, usually, if you find stone around as like normal stone, it'd usually be pebbles. Now, what I would get for that are stone buttons. So if we put one here, it looks like there's some pebbles around, you know. You could use it for a secret base. But we're not doing that this episode. Yes, I am going to do an episode on secret bases, which you can incorporate into your world. So, I'm going to add some rocks. Now, what you need to do is you need to place a couple of blocks, then just place this. It's just random, to be honest. Rocks aren't, you know, too organised. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I know it's a bit shorter than what I usually do, but to be honest, I'm a bit busy right now, so I'll see you later in the next episode, and bye.